Bienvenue to Le Café Craft. Guys, we are 6,000 of us and more. Oh my gosh! Giveaway! Yoo-hoo! Here we go. All right, so we want to know what the giveaway is, and we don't want to wait. Here it is. This is going to be the giveaway. And it's not any giveaway. I sweat on this thing day and night, after day and night, and again and again and again. I made a tutorial kind of like how I went about it, what did I do, right? That will be all in the tutorial. We're going to flip pages, we're going to look at it, and I'm just going to flap my gum while we're doing that. Cool? Cool. All right. Front cover, blah. All the details are in the tutorial. I'm not going to go through it. We're just going to look at it. Right? Right. Okay. So, we are 6,000 of us. How about that? This is all oh, wait a second. This is the little card when I'm going to write something really nice to somebody who's going to get it. Oh my gosh, how exciting. Anyway, I'm going to turn the pages. You look at it. Please comment if you like it, this, that, whatever, right? Okay, that is the giveaway. Whoever's going to get this is this is that. This is what you're gonna get if you're getting it. Ha! Right? The competition is fierce now. The heat is on. Anyhow, I wanted to also take the opportunity of this video to say thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank you to each of you. Thank you to my patron. Special thanks to the gang. Thank you. It is so appreciated. You have no idea how it is appreciated every day. Thank you to the Facebook group, because you guys are also pretty cool, doing cool stuff. If you're not in the Facebook group, I strongly suggest that you go there. You can post, you can make your little video of what you did today or yesterday or the day before or what you intend to do, and then put it there for everybody to see. So, as you can tell, now I'm going to talk about this, but thank you again, right? 6,000, who would have known? Thank you again. I am so excited, so excited. So, I wanted to make a fake photo album. This is going on for, I don't know, almost a year, and I never get into doing it, but this time I did it, I made it. And I want it to be old, but I didn't want it to be grungy. I want it to be elegant, stylish, sophisticated, delicate. I mean, don't go like blah, 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 flipping pages. It doesn't work like that at all, okay? You just got to be so delicate with this thing. Actually, I had a full grown-up man with muscles and everything who just flip all the pages. It was like, oh my gosh! But everything stayed good, so, I mean, pass the test, right? So, I wanted to make it like old, but, you know, well-preserved, if I may say so. So it's a whole bunch of old pictures that I gathered from here, and there. And I'm sure they all have a story. Now, I have a disclaimer right here. I don't know any of those people on those pictures. Not one of them. But, you know, as every day you work on it, I think I average like maybe 2 pages a day, just to tell you, right? Agonizing about where to put this, where to put that, well, whatever, you know how that story goes. But I do not know any of them. But then after a while, I kind of knew them, you know? I started to have feeling for them. I really did. Like this man, right? This man with his 2 sons, obviously. I don't know. I thought that was such a great picture. And they look so serious. Anyway, so that is what was going on. And that really took me forever. Okay? So, there is specific way to handle this photo album if you get it. Because one of you is gonna get it. Is as you turn the pages, right? You are gonna have to pull delicately, mind you, on that little chain. Because it's kept all together with the chain. I will show you the spine and all of that. But I know you want it to go inside it and see it. So, here it is, right? And oh my gosh, I am so excited. I cannot believe 6,000. I remember the first 100. Guys, the first 100, I know you so well. Why? Because number one, you always put comments. So I know your names. When I see you, I was like, woo. And when somebody that I know didn't comment, I get all worried. Like, oh, how come? You know, somebody didn't put a comment. And then it goes like 2 or 3 days later. I'm like, oh, good. I'm so glad. Right? So we are that big 6,000 family here. The nonsense family. They're like, oh, we're gonna try to do something, anything. See, this woman, I love this woman. I don't know why. I was so captivated with that picture. It's out of a book. I was just so captivated with that picture. I don't know why. Don't ask. I had no idea why. I had some fancy pages, like the opera page. I like the opera page. My favorite editor. Love the opera page. It is a pretty cool page, isn't it? But as I said, you get to watch the how I made it tutorial-y thing, other video that I made, because I explain everything that I use, how I went about it, and all the in and out of this wonderful album. Maybe I can put it a little bit more like this, right? But see, I don't want you to be like, oh, where is this and what is that? I'm pretty sure I'm centered right in the middle. So, you guys, this is a brand new year. This is so exciting. Why? Because you know what? The truth of the matter is it can only be better. Yes, it can only be better. Also, as per the end of the year, this is the best present you guys could ever give me. 6,000 of you. I mean, I'm still flabbergasted. I am so reconnaissant. Hey, you guys, some of you speak French. Reconnaissant. You have no idea, right? I guess it translates by grateful. And I am grateful, too, in English. Here you go. I don't go too fast, so you have time to look at every single one of them. So as I said, when you're going to turn the pages, because it is kind of like, okay, this is not your easiest photo album there is. That is not, that's for sure, okay? But you cannot flip the pages this way and that way, okay? Once it's turned, it's turned. You get to go all the way to the end to flip. It is like a little work of art, all right? So that's what it is. This is what you're going to get. Something that you're going to take all your time to look at, right? And if you don't, and if I know only one is going to get it, but you know, watch the video again, right? Get ideas out of it. I mean, I was inspired by so many things and I did my own take on it. And that's what we should all do. Really, that's what we should all do. Talking about that, I want to put my hat off to Christy from Burlap and Deli Bread. And I will put the YouTube site in the description box below because she made the lab book one part at the time. And oh my gosh, she explained it so well. So guys, if you need to look at it in a different way or another way to go about it, please go and check that thing out. This is just like wonderful. I mean, go you. Christy, it just blew my mind away. Anyway, you know, where credit is due, right? And that should be the last page right here. I'm done screaming in your ears. Actually, if it's too loud, just turn the sound off and just look at the flip, right? And this is the last page. And it says fashion French because, you know, this is Patricia, so you get to kind of remember that. All right? And it holds with 2 chains. I'm going to show you the spine so you get an idea. We can go a little bit around it. Because I know how it goes. You know, when people show what they did, it was like, I'm watching videos too, and we're like, come on, open it, right? Okay, so I'll open it right away. And I'm going to show you from the side, from the top, from the bottom, from anywhere. Okay? All right. So this is the back, right? And this is the front. Yes. And I mean, it's not like you cannot take it and handle it. It's how you turn the pages. Okay, this is the spine. Can you see the shimmer? The shimmer. It's just all shimmery and goldy and festive, right? So you get the 2 chains right here. Okay? Now, as you know, it just drives me crazy because I cannot make any more than one of those because, you will never have another video from me. It took me that long, okay? So I really wanted to have a number 2, right? Like something for I almost got it, okay? So I have I almost got it kind of second giveaway. And that second giveaway is going to be this. So I'm going to give a whole bunch of old pictures, cabinet pictures, other pictures, cutout pictures, all kind of black and white pictures. And, to get you started, a whole bunch of pre-cut, vellum, already old golden and everything else, all right? And that would be, I know it's not a lot, but it's at least I get something out of that, right? And for everybody else, because there's gonna be so many of you, everybody else, I'm gonna scan a whole bunch of old pictures, okay? And we're gonna do as we usually do. If you're brand new here, welcome and listen to how that works, right? You're gonna send an email telling me you want the download for the giveaway, and I will answer you by an email with all the attachment of a whole bunch of old black and white pictures. If you need some, then at least you have some, okay? Now, giveaway, we got to find something cool to say. I don't know. I guess photo album, right? You're gonna have to put photo album. Of course, you can say, Patricia, I love it. Patricia, I think this is wonderful. Or just put photo album. But nice comments are so appreciated. Because I love the comments. You guys have put comments all time of the day and night. I love them. I read them all the time. It just makes my day. So put a comment. Tell me what you think of it. Don't forget to write a photo album, okay? Because that's going to be the giveaway. Also, let me add, no matter where you are in the world, you can totally enter that giveaway. I will ship it. Okay, so it doesn't matter where you are in the world, I will ship it to you. So everybody can enter. Did I say you have to be a subscriber? I think it's kind of makes sense, right? So yes, first thing is you have to be a subscriber, okay? Of Le Café Craft, the only Café Craft. All right, so you are a subscriber, you're putting a comment, you're mentioning photo album, and this little beauty, if your name comes out, is gonna come your way. Now, drawing, we get to figure out who we are and how do we go about 2023. So I will say that the giveaway should be, hold on 1 second, I'm looking at my calendar. The giveaway is gonna be, is there January something here? Yes. Okay, giveaway is gonna be on January 15th. Well, number 115 is my favorite number. So January 15th, it's a Sunday. Most of you are home, so there's no way you're gonna miss it, right? So January 15th, we got the giveaway going. Cool. Please check the tutorial video because it's pretty cool because I kind of discover kind of cool stuff, what we can do with this, what we can do with that, right? And enjoy. Rewind that video, just go right from the start and just look at it all over again. Okay? I'm wishing you the very, very best for this new year. Again, thank you from the bottom of my heart. And happy making, happy crafting. Bye.